SpaceX, under the visionary leadership of Elon Musk, has set its sights on a future where the norm includes a vast fleet of Starship spacecraft, numerous launch pads, and dozens of launches per day. However, achieving this ambitious vision requires more than just aspiration. It demands the establishment of massive factory complexes capable of handling all aspects of rocket production. Even the construction of the Star Factory, spanning hundreds of square meters, falls short of the scale SpaceX envisions. Consequently, South Texas remains the epicenter of SpaceX's Martian ambitions, witnessing the realization of multi-million-dollar projects, notably the construction of a substantial 5-story complex valued at $100 million within the Starbase complex in Bronzeville. Welcome back to Mars Discoveries, where we embark on a journey into the visionary realm of SpaceX's ambitious plan, a fleet of starships poised to revolutionize space travel. In this exploration, we'll delve into Elon Musk's groundbreaking vision and the transformative potential it holds for the future of humanity's exploration of the cosmos. Join us as we unravel the intricacies of SpaceX's bold endeavor and discover how this fleet of starships represents a paradigm shift in our approach to space exploration. Through meticulous filings with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, SpaceX has laid bare the grandeur of its vision. The project encompasses not just expanded office space, but integrates a dedicated industrial factory. This factory will serve as the nerve center for the production, development, and eventual launch of Starship rockets, heralding a new era in space exploration. Set to commence its journey near the picturesque Boca Chica beach, the project endeavors to achieve a remarkable feat: completion within a mere year, with the ambitious target of January 1st, 2025. While the regulatory landscape may pose potential hurdles, Elon Musk, SpaceX's visionary leader, has unequivocally endorsed the project's progress. Musk's commitment extends beyond the realm of finances. It's a testament to his profound conviction in pushing the boundaries of human achievement. Musk's bold vision extends to the very landscape itself. Through a declaration on social media, he has christened the environs near Boca Chica Beach as the burgeoning city of Starbase, Texas. This symbolic renaming isn't just a gesture. It's a proclamation of SpaceX's enduring dedication to cementing its presence in the Rio Grande Valley. Here, amidst the serene beauty of South Texas, SpaceX will forge the path to the stars, utilizing the region as a launch pad for groundbreaking missions to Mars and beyond. SpaceX's growth has prompted initiatives to officially rename Brownsville and Boca Chica areas to Starbase, further solidifying its status as a hub for space exploration. Despite ongoing discussions regarding land transactions, SpaceX expansion promises substantial opportunities for innovation and advancement. The increased space offers possibilities such as expanding production systems, developing new production and assembly systems, and accommodating housing for employees. Moreover, the acquisition of additional land presents a watershed moment for SpaceX, facilitating a substantial expansion of the launch site. This newfound territory effectively doubles the current size, unlocking vast potential for future endeavors. With this expansion comes a wealth of opportunities to elevate testing and launching systems to unprecedented levels of efficiency and capability. Central to this expansion strategy is the implementation of multiple launch towers and supplementary structures. By diversifying the launch infrastructure, SpaceX can enhance its operational flexibility and accommodate a more extensive array of missions. The introduction of additional launch towers not only increases the capacity for concurrent launches, but also mitigates potential bottlenecks in the launch process, ensuring smoother operations overall. Furthermore, the expanded land offers fertile ground for the development of a new tank farm system. This critical infrastructure is essential for meeting the substantial fuel demands inherent in testing and launching activities. With the capability to store and supply ample fuel reserves, SpaceX can optimize its launch cadence and support a more robust schedule of missions. In essence, the extension of the launch site heralds a new era of growth and innovation for SpaceX. By capitalizing on this expanded footprint, the company can solidify its position at the forefront of space exploration and propel humanity further into the cosmos. With a focus on enhancing infrastructure and capabilities, SpaceX is poised to achieve new milestones and push the boundaries of what is achievable in space. In conclusion, the expansion of Starbase by SpaceX represents far more than just the construction of physical infrastructure. It signifies a pivotal strategic maneuver in the pursuit of the company's ambitious objectives. Beyond the mere expansion of facilities, SpaceX's investment in Starbase is a calculated move aimed at propelling the Starship project to unprecedented heights. By bolstering production, testing, and launch capabilities, SpaceX is laying the groundwork for a revolutionary leap forward in space exploration. The increased capacity and efficiency afforded by the expanded facilities will enable SpaceX to not only meet but exceed the demands of its ambitious goals. This includes not only increasing the frequency of launches, but also enhancing the versatility and capabilities of its spacecraft. Moreover, SpaceX's expansion of Starbase sets the stage for future milestones in space exploration and colonization. With a renewed focus on pushing the boundaries of what is achievable in space, SpaceX is positioning itself as a leader in the field, paving the way for humanity's expansion beyond Earth's orbit. In essence, SpaceX's investment in Starbase represents a strategic imperative to seize the opportunities presented by the rapidly evolving space industry. By leveraging its expanded capabilities, SpaceX is poised to redefine the possibilities of space exploration and shape the course of humanity's journey into the cosmos for generations to come. As we conclude this journey through SpaceX's vision of a fleet of starships, it's clear that we're witnessing the dawn of a new era in space exploration. With ambitious goals and groundbreaking innovation, SpaceX is charting a course towards a future where the cosmos is within reach like never before. As we've explored the concept of a vast fleet of starships, we glimpsed the potential for humanity to become a multiplanetary species, expanding our horizons beyond Earth and venturing into the unknown depths of the universe. Through perseverance, ingenuity, and a relentless pursuit of the impossible, SpaceX is not only building rockets, but also building the future. So as we look ahead to the stars, let's remember that the journey has only just begun. Together, let's dare to dream and reach for the stars with SpaceX and their fleet of starships.